my research project, I did musical enrichment for rabbits. My question I wanted answered, can music help a rabbit have a calmer experience in a lab setting? My experiment I did for 4 weeks, I would play classical music for Mordecai and Rigby, the rabbits. The first week, only 1 hour of music. The second week, 2 hours of music. The third week, 3 hours of music. And the fourth week, 4 hours of music. And each week, I would look at key factors that show the rabbits how the rabbits are feeling. If they're feeling calmer, like how well they're eating and drinking by weighing them each week, how much they are jumping, and if they have any repetitive behavior like head bobbing, circling, biting bars. I scored each assessment out of 5, 1 being it's not having any effect, and 5 it's working extremely well. My hypothesis was I predicted that the music would help the rabbits have a calmer experience and be easier to handle in our care. My test subjects were Mordecai and Rigby. Okay. So for week 1, they got 1 hour of music a day. So this is for Mordecai. So his weight at the beginning of everything was 9 pounds, 8 ounces. His jumpiness was at a 2 for the whole week. Anytime someone tried to handle him, he was still very jumpy. He tried to get away from everybody. Repetitive behavior like head bobbing, circling, and biting bars, I put at a 3. He wasn't doing it excessively, but he was still doing it. So the music wasn't helping too effectively that week. For Rigby, 1 hour of music a day for Rigby. The first week, she was at 6 pounds, 7 ounces. Her jumpiness was at a 4 for the whole week. When people tried holding her, she seemed not as jumpy to get away from everybody. She seemed more calm in that perspective. Repetitive behavior like head bobbing, circling, and biting bars, I gave her a 4 as well. I didn't see any of it during the first week with the music playing. My conclusion of the first week, it's too early to tell, but Rigby seemed like a really mellow rabbit, and only time would tell with Mordecai. Maybe more time listening to music would help calm him. So week 2, 2 hours of music for them. For Mordecai, he weighed in at 9 pounds, 8 ounces. His jumpiness, I gave him 2s for the whole week. He seemed seemed the same as the first week. I'm still trying to jump away from everybody, not wanting anybody to hold him or touch him. Repetitive behavior like head bobbing, circling, and biting the bars, I gave 4. I didn't really see any of that at all happening during the music playing. Mordecai seemed pretty calm when he was left alone to relax in his kennel. I didn't see any head bobbing at all or biting the bars. So for week 2 for Rigby, she weighed in at 6 pounds, 2 ounces. Her jumpiness, I put at 3s. She didn't seem very jumpy at all when people tried handling her. And then for repetitive behavior, like the head bobbing, circling, and biting the bars, the beginning of the week, she seemed pretty good. I gave her 4s for Monday and Tuesday, but by the end of the week, Wednesday and Thursday, I started noticing circling and some biting of the bars.